saying the video didn't work so good, so you might have to click on another video to see what it's doing. But as I was saying, we got the shoes and arms on. So when you got that, you can do this if you want, but I don't have to, because but I wanted to so it could look straight. Okay. When we do that, let's get our black Play-Doh open. This means we fix this kind of. Okay. Now get our black Play-Doh open. Trick is to open it. But first we have to open it, because see how he has a mustache right there? We're going to make his mustache and hat. We're kind of going to copy off that. But it didn't come with pink, so we have to make ears red. Mrs. Potato, we don't want to make. She's a girl. First, we have to find the way to open it. Okay, finally got to open it. Here it is. Now let's make his mustache. We're not going to use any of that. We'll use that later. If you... David, get it. If you want to know where to buy this, you have to go to Walgreens. Use his mustache. His mustache is on. Now let's make his mouth. Let's do this. Okay, got that. We're going to copy off that. So you might see it black. Making a smile. As I said, we are not going to use those. I just bought this today, this set. So now let's make Paul's mouth. That's Paul's mouth. This part. It goes right there. Let's make another one the same. Okay, now let's get it on him. We don't have enough room, so we're going to have to lift his mustache up a little. We might not have a room to put anything, but that's okay. Because we can still do something pretty fun. So we actually don't need those. Let's use one of these things to make the teeth. Well, that worked out. But we have to make it work out even more to make it smile. Okay, that's what you want it to look like. If you look closely, it's kind of teeth. Okay, when you get that, let's grab some more white Play-Doh and make his eyes. Roll it into one ball like this. Flatten it. But if it's too big, whip some off and do the same. Okay, and that's what you should get. This is what you should get. And do the same with the other piece of Play-Doh. The way to make sure it's the same size, you have to put that on and make sure, and it is. So let's put that on. He has big eyeballs, so let's whip that in half instead of using that. That should be good. And we'll check out the other stuff when I'm done with this video. Grab some more black to make his eyeballs. If it's big eyeballs, that's okay. Here's what he should look like. But now, the final touch. His nose and half and ears. Those are the last final touches. Okay. Let's make his hat first.
It's okay. People will probably think it's funny. Say sorry. My dad kind of loves the Red Wings. Okay.
Off his foot.
I used the wrong thing by accident. But that's okay. Now, for his ears, we need to move those are actually supposed to be lines, but I changed it. Okay, now for the ears. That's what the ears should look like. Make the same for like his eyes, but bigger. And then rip it in half like that. And if you heard screaming, sorry about that. Show them to the dog. My dog is right there. See? See her? Named Digby. Get his nose on, his ears, I mean. But if they're too big, that's fine. Here's the front of him. But now for his nose. His nose is an ovalish, round. It's probably boring doing that. Not too boring. We could make the little shine thing, but I don't want to. Here's my Mr. Potato Head. He kind of has a clown nose. If you like this video, please hit like button. But if you did, subscribe and tell me what kind of Play-Doh guy you want to see next. Bye.